Man, look at these printers on printers on printers. I'm up in Micro Center. And check this out. PS1s, Flash Forge. What are these? P2S combos. A1 combos. A1 minis. Look, H2C, H2Cs, H2S, H2D. Man. And here come my snap maker right here. My homeboy Patrick.
Anything else you need today?
That's it for today. You guys don't have any accessories, do you? Like the
I wish.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, that fit right in there. Let's go.
It is heavy.
It is heavy. Okay,
Yeah,
I got it.
heavy. Did you want any kind of protection plan from the store on this guy?
I don't know. I'll make up my mind when I get up there.
Okay. I'll give you the pricing and you can decide up front.
Okay. All right. Appreciate it.
So you get 1 year from SnapMaker.
Uh-huh.
Starts after this.
Okay.
There's a 2-year and a 3-year extension. The 2-year extension, 3 years coverage, $199.99. The 3 years, $259.99.
Okay.
You get electrical coverage, so let's say one of the heads fails, you can't get a replacement, or motor burns out, tire search kills it, that kind of thing.
Okay.
You bring it in, we swap it out for it.
Cool. All right.
Whew.
Thanks a lot, man. Hey, you got your workout for the day.
Yeah. Here, let me just throw a tag on that guy to put it on
All right.
top, because that's what that belt will do.
Appreciate it.
And if you decide, you can grab it up front. If not, just I'm not interested.
Cool. All right. Thanks a lot, man. Have a good one. All right. Thanks. Oh, shit. I don't think I can go that way. Yeah, it's all right. Say that again?
We do have it up on display.
Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to get you.
Enjoy your time,
Yes, sir.
Oh, for sure. Thanks.